Good morning, everyone. Today I'm doing a full day of eating for you guys. So as you saw before, I went to work out. I just had my pre-workout and my rice cake with peanut butter. So I just got home from the gym, so I'm going to have my protein shake. So I just used the Bowmar vegan blueberry donut protein. I don't use the vegan for any particular reason. I'm not vegan. I just really like this flavor, and they have different flavors for the vegan proteins versus the whey proteins. I use the whey and the vegan equally, but every day post-workout I use this one because I think it tastes really good, and I just drink it with water. So I'm going to do a full scoop of this in my shaker cup, and I just use water. I don't like to use milk or anything. I don't really think it's necessary because the protein tastes really good and it gets like creamy enough. So I'm going to have this now and shower and get ready to work for the day, and then I'll show you guys what I eat for breakfast. Guys, I need to eat breakfast. It is so much later than I usually eat breakfast, but I've been super busy with work this morning. So it's currently almost 8:30. I have to hop on a call. So I usually eat breakfast before this, but I haven't had time. So I have my overnight oats. The recipe is in my previous video in my weekend vlog. And then once I'm done with this call, then I'm also gonna make my coffee because I haven't had coffee yet. So I'm going to hop on this call and eat my oats. I am going to make my coffee now, and I pretty much always get iced coffee or have cold brew on like a daily basis because I like cold brew way better. But I've been on a hot coffee kick at home recently. I am using the pumpkin spice creamer. I love this stuff, guys. It is so good. I'm going to drink my coffee now. Anyone wondering, I don't count macros, I don't count my calories or anything like that. I just eat intuitively, which means that I try to eat when I'm hungry, stop when I'm full. I just listen to my body and try to go with that. And with eating intuitively, some things that I do focus on is trying to get protein in every single meal and snack that I have. And then I do supplement with protein powder in the morning after my workout. And then I also put it in my oats just because I know that I'm not gonna eat enough protein throughout the day unless I supplement. So that's what I choose to do. And I also just try to focus on getting as many fruits and vegetables in as possible and eat as many whole foods as I can. But I try not to stress about it too much. If I had very specific goals of like cutting or bulking, then I would track macros. But since I don't and I'm just living life and maintaining, then it just works best for me to just eat intuitively and not focus on numbers and how much I'm eating throughout the day. It's currently 11 o'clock, so I'm having a small snack because I have a call at 11:30, and then I'll eat lunch like right after that. So I'll eat again in like an hour and I'll have like a full lunch. So I don't want to have too much right now, but I'm hungry. So I just have, this is hard to see. I have 2 hard-boiled eggs, and then I just have these like cheddar cheese cubes. And then I'm also going to make my greens and essentials because I still haven't done that yet. So this is something that I have every single day. The greens are lemon flavored. These are the newer ones from Bowmar. The older ones were like banana flavored, but I like these way better because I like lemon way better than banana. So the greens are not a substitute for you to like not eat vegetables. It's basically like a safety net just to ensure that you're getting all of the nutrients that you need. So I do take them every day. I like to drink them too. I think they taste good. It's a good way to get even more water in throughout the day. And then I have the essentials right here, which just helps you get in all of your essential amino acids that you need, and they taste really good. So this is the lemonade iced tea flavor, which is one of my favorites. It tastes like an Arnold Palmer. So I really like it, and it mixes really well with the lemon flavored greens. My second favorite flavor is the guava nectarine, which is a newer flavor. I really like that one. Pour some water in, and then I'm using my Bowmar mixer to mix it all in. And I'm going to drink this and eat my snack. And then as for water, I use my Hydro Jug every single day. And for water, I usually try to drink about 3 of these a day. That's usually my goal. All right, so it is a lot later. It's 2 o'clock and I'm just eating lunch now. My call went longer. My days are very inconsistent with when I eat for the most part, just depending on how busy I am that day and when I have calls and when I don't have calls. So it happens. If it does, I usually just end up eating more later on in the day. So now I'm actually not that hungry just because I'm having a stressful day. When I'm stressed, I don't really eat that much. So I'll end up eating more later once I'm done with work. But right now I have a salad. So I actually had this in my meal prep in my last video, but it's just spring mix, baby spinach, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, and this Caesar chicken that I made in the air fryer. I also just added this Caesar dressing on top as well. So I'm going to eat this and have some more water, and then I'll show you guys what I end up making next. It is now 4:45 and I'm eating, I guess you could say dinner, but I'll probably eat another meal because I didn't really have that much for lunch. I just had the salad, but I was super busy with work. So this is what I'm having. It is just black beans, Spanish rice, chicken, and then also chicken sausage. And I made this in my meal prep that I had in my last video. So I'm going to eat this for dinner and then probably have something else in a little bit. I am still hungry after I ate dinner. It's like an hour later, but I want a snack. So I'm going to have an apple with some peanut butter, and then I'll probably end up eating cereal later too. But I'm just going to cut this up and put some peanut butter on it for now. This will most likely be the last thing that I eat today, but if not, I'll show you guys. So I'm having some cereal. So in here is just honey bunches of oat. So I like to do mostly this. And then I mix a little bit, that's a lot. I mix a little bit of this. It's like Cheerios, oat and honey, I think, something like that. But I put this on top and they go really well together because they're both like honey and oat and good. So I put that on top. And this is how much I have. I really like to fill my bowl of cereal because, you know, cereal is just a good dessert. And then I'm adding in my milk. This is the milk that I always use. And that's it. Obviously, you guys don't need a tutorial on how to make a bowl of cereal, but that's what I'm having. That is going to be it for my full day of eating. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.